Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it's time for a new theme for Windows 10 and 11. So whether you're on Windows 10 or 11, these are available. A lot of people are always asking me where I take my background wallpaper pictures. They're always packages of pictures that are from the Microsoft Store in the themes section. So go to your Microsoft Store. In the store, you will have a search at the top. You can actually simply click and type themes, press enter. You'll be at the Windows themes page. The one that I've chosen for today is Stars at Night. As we are getting into the, it's summer in the Northern Hemisphere and we're getting into the Perseids. I thought, why not? Stars at Night. So you click on it. You click the install button when you actually, or the get now button or whatever it says. Once that is done, you can actually click the open button. There, don't forget that it's not automatically installed in any case. So go to your theme of Stars at Night, double click on it to apply the theme in your computer. And don't forget that there's other options in the personalizations that you want to check. In the background, you want to check to make sure that it changes at a normal rate. Sometimes it says 1 minute. That can actually bog down your system. You might have kind of a 1 minute, every minute has kind of a very slight delay. It even happens on my gaming laptop, so it has an impact when it changes. So you could, choose 30 minutes, an hour, whatever, one day. And the other thing that you might want to have is in the personalization, I like that, in the colors section, you want to make sure that the accent color is set to automatic so that it actually fits with the colors of your theme that you have, and that both start and taskbar and show accent color on bars, on the title bars and Windows borders are on. So this will actually have every picture that changes, change also the general color effect of Windows, which I find kind of cute and really nice to have. So hope that you enjoy our new choice for this time around. Stars at Night, available in the Microsoft Store. 19 pictures, and it's free, so it's kind of cool to have all of that basically on the next desktop background, so you can see that the pictures are very, very beautiful. Really, really nice to see. And it's if you like starry nights and starry skies, it's very, very beautiful to have this theme. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.